probably my best way of cooking chicken. Now this process takes a little while. What we're going to do is we're going to spatchcock the chicken, meaning we're going to take the backbone out. We're going to boil it with some aromatics and spices, pump loads of flavor into it. We're then going to fry it. We're going to add some soy sauce to it. It's really, really juicy, crispy, and beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got a whole chicken here. This is a 1.3 kg chicken. What we're going to do is butterfly it or spatchcock it. So I'm going to turn it over and show you what to do. So I've just turned that over, so breast side is now down. What we want to do is cut here and here out. So you want to kind of go about 2 fingers out of that. Let me do that. You can use a sharp knife or some kitchen or big scissors if you want it. So there you go, I've taken that piece out of the back, like so, and I just took a couple of little bits of fat that was inside off. If you want, discard that, or you can use that for chicken stock or something like that, it's up to you. But yeah, you've now got a butterflied or spatchcock chicken, whatever they call that, whatever you call it. So, but we're gonna get to the cooker now. Okay, so I've got a large saucepan here, which I've half filled with water. We're gonna take our chicken and put it in. And then you can add any type of sort of aromatics that you want. What we're doing here is 1, cooking the chicken so we can fry it really nicely. And 2, we're gonna pump loads of flavor in. So what I'm gonna go with is a nice stick of cinnamon, a couple of star anise in there, some dried red chili. I'm gonna go with a little bit of salt. I'm going to squeeze a lemon and then drop it in. And I'm going to go with like a teaspoon of turmeric here. Now think about other things. You can put in cumin seeds, ginger, garlic. Go any direction that you want. Heat goes on, full blast. So what we need to do is get that water to a boil. Once it's on a boil, we're going to put it on a rolling boil, nice medium heat, for about 7 or so minutes. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the heat now. I turned the chicken a couple of times in there. Now what we want to do is we want to drain this off. You can discard this water and the contents and just let the chicken cool down just for a few minutes. Now what I've done is, as you can see, I've cut my chicken in half. You don't have to do that. You can just cook it away as you wish. I've cut it in half for a couple of reasons. I want to just do it in halves, and 2, I wanted to show you the inside. We're nearly done, as you can see, all the way. Now if you want, you can barbecue this now, and what will happen, I like to do this sometimes when I barbecue, is that I'll get all the outside nice and crispy and beautiful without burning it, and because it's been boiled and got all that lovely flavor in it, it's going to make the process really easy. Sometimes even me, even a superstar like me, what I do is I burn the outside and it's a bit raw in the middle. So that's a good way of barbecuing. I often do that. You can stick it in the oven now. You can pan fry it. Up to you. So we're going to pan fry this one. In there I've got some olive oil. And simply we're just going to pick the chicken up, drop it in. We're on a medium heat. And I'm going to throw that around in there, turn it over a few times for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to add a few more bits and pieces. So if you wanted, you can serve that right now. It's beautiful. You've got some nice crispiness on it. I'm going to add 1 cup of a light soy sauce, and then we're going to go. It'll be quite noisy. So we're going to go for just about another 4 or 5 minutes. I'll be turning it a few times. Beautiful. And there you have it. It is a bit of a messy process, but it really is worth it. That chicken is going to be absolutely juicy, tasty, and wonderful. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.